This was classified. The US military did not want you to see this. AI systems selected nearly 1,000 strike targets in Iran in under 24 hours. No human could process that list. No human did. The machine decided. The pilots followed orders. February 28th, 2026. Operation Epic Fury begins. In the first 24 hours, AI systems helped strike nearly 1,000 targets across Iran. On that same day, a Tomahawk missile hit Sheera Tayyeba Girls' Elementary School in Minab. 148 to 175 dead, most of them children.
This is Commander Sheera. Today we examine the first large-scale combat use of an AI-first targeting system in the 2026 Iran war. Palantir's Maven, Anthropic's Claude, real strikes, real numbers.
January 9th, 2026. The Department of War issues its AI acceleration strategy. Direct order, become an AI first force. February 28th. Operation Epic Fury launches. Coordinated US and Israeli strikes. Supreme Leader Khamenei eliminated in the opening hours. Early March. CENTCOM. Commander Admiral Brad Cooper confirms AI tools process data in seconds. March 11th to 12th. Pentagon and Palantir detail the system at conferences. April 8th. Ceasefire after 38 days. White House confirms more than 13,000 targets struck. May Shield AI awarded contract to add swarming autonomy to Lucas drones. Palantir's Maven smart system fused radar, satellite imagery, drone footage, and signals intelligence into one live common operating picture. Anthropic's Claude AI operated inside it as the reasoning layer. It recommended targets, weapons, and strike packages. Sensor-to-shooter timelines dropped from days or weeks to hours or seconds. Over 38 days, more than 13,000 targets were struck. Breakdown. Over 2,000 command and control nodes, 1,500 air defense sites, 1,450 industrial targets, 700 mine systems, 800 attack drones, 600 naval vessels, and 450 ballistic missile sites. More than 10,200 air sorties flown. The system achieved this tempo with roughly 10% of the human analysts previously required. Hundreds of Lucas low-cost attritable drones were launched. Unit cost under $55,000. 500-mile range. Later upgraded with Shield AI's HiveMind software for coordinated swarming. AI did not only select targets, it enabled mass employment of cheap autonomous strike systems. On day one, the same targeting system placed Sheera Tayyeba Girls' Elementary School on the strike list, or failed to remove it. 148 to 175 killed, most of them children. Preliminary US investigation attributed the error to outdated data. The open question remains: did Maven's speed compress human verification enough for the mistake to pass through? Reported accuracy in testing sat around 60% versus 84% for human analysts alone. This was the prototype. By 2030, AI will compress kill chains so tightly that the limiting factor will be human moral judgment. NATO and European forces must now choose: build sovereign systems with hard guardrails, or accept commercial platforms that prioritize speed above verification. The Minab Strike is now the central test case for military AI ethics. Did the system fail, or did compressed human oversight fail? Answer in the comments. Subscribe for classified level analysis.
Thank you for watching, Commander Sheera. If this gave you something to think about, share it, leave a comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.